Hello everyone, welcome to another video. So today video topic is best appliance brands in 2022. So let's check out best appliances, home appliances brand. So best appliance brands of 2022. Of course, the best appliances is a subjective term. We are simply sharing what we believe are the best appliances, or what we recommend the most and the most popular appliances among our consumers. So refrigerator list of the top refrigerators brands of 2022. So let's check out number one, LG. The LG is a great brand and reliable feature. The two most unique features for the LG include, so in-step view. Some of the LG refrigerators offer an in-step view feature. This feature allows you to look at the contents of your refrigerator without having to keep your door open for extended periods of time. So next, door indoor, and next one is GE fingerprint resistant. GE offers a fingerprint resistant finish so that you won't see all the fingers that are touching the appliance. Slat finish, energy efficient. So next one is KitchenAid fringe shield. This allows for a fritter finish and disguise as a smudges and fingerprints multi-tool. The KitchenAid multi-tool refrigerator offers four refrigerator doors or multi-tool platinum interior design, custom paneling. So next one is Whirlpool fingerprint resistant, and no more seeing fingerprints on your appliances. So exterior drawer. The Whirlpool refrigerator offers an additional place for food by offering a freeze drawer underneath the French door. So next one is Samsung internal water dispenser. Instead of having a water dispenser on the outside of, you will be able to get fresh water by opening up the refrigerator doors. Cool select pantry or